Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a look at the Ingersoll Rand 285B-6 1-inch pneumatic impact wrench with a 6-inch extended anvil and dual handle design. If you work on heavy-duty trucks, buses, construction equipment, agricultural machinery, or industrial maintenance, this is one of those legendary tools that's built to deliver serious performance day after day. So, is this impact wrench really worth buying? What do all those torque numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why has the 285B series remained a trusted choice for professional mechanics for so many years? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out is the massive 1-inch square drive paired with a 6-inch extended anvil. That longer anvil makes reaching recessed lug nuts, deep-mounted fasteners, and heavy equipment hardware much easier without sacrificing strength. Combined with its two-handle configuration, you get excellent stability and control while working on stubborn fasteners. Performance is where this tool really shines. The 285B-6 delivers an impressive 1,475 foot-lb, 2,000 Newton-meters of maximum torque under standard operating conditions, while its recommended working torque ranges from 100 to 900 foot-lb, 136 to 1,220 Newton-meters. It also produces a rapid 1,000 foot-lb of fast torque in about 2 seconds, helping break loose difficult bolts quickly. Power comes from Ingersoll Rand's proven rocking dog impact mechanism, engineered to deliver powerful blows with efficient air usage. The wrench operates at a free speed of up to 5,250 revolutions per minute and produces approximately 700 blows per minute, giving you the striking force needed for demanding commercial applications. Another reason professionals appreciate this model is control. The 3-position power regulator allows you to match power output to the job, while the forward and reverse controls make switching directions fast and simple. Whether you're removing wheel nuts or tightening large fasteners, you have the flexibility to work with confidence. The ergonomics are designed for heavy-duty environments. A swept-back D-handle and the additional top-mounted auxiliary handle provide better leverage and reduce fatigue during extended jobs. The 360-degree swivel air inlet also helps prevent hose twisting while improving maneuverability in tight workspaces. This impact wrench is built for large fasteners, with a recommended fastener size of up to M32 or approximately 1¼ inches. It weighs about 27.8 pounds, 12.6 kilograms, and measures roughly 20.4 inches, 519 millimeters, long because of its extended anvil, giving it the durability and reach expected from a professional-grade heavy equipment tool. For air requirements, the tool uses a 1/2 inch NPT air inlet, recommends a 3/4 inch minimum air hose, averages around 11 CFM, and can consume up to 46 CFM under full load, making it ideal for professional shop compressors capable of supplying continuous airflow. Durability has always been one of the biggest strengths of the 285B series. Its rugged construction is designed to withstand demanding commercial environments including truck repair facilities, fleet maintenance shops, industrial plants, tire service centers, and heavy equipment garages. Ingersoll Rand also backs the tool with a 1-year warranty. So why is the Ingersoll Rand 285B-6 still such a popular choice? It combines tremendous torque, dependable reliability, excellent reach with its extended anvil, comfortable dual-handle operation, and the proven engineering that professionals have trusted for decades. Whether you're servicing semi-trucks, agricultural equipment, mining machinery, or construction vehicles, this impact wrench is designed to deliver consistent heavy-duty performance every single day. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.